Misa is the next generation social family robot. It's smart, interactive, and uniquely mobile. Misa can play with your children, handle your schedule, and keep your home safe. Misa will blend right into your family. It can be a friend, teacher, companion, cameraman, homemaker, entertainer, and more. With its unique personality and playful nature, Misa interacts with its surroundings. It's a helpful, fun, unforgettable addition to any household. It can see, hear, teach, speak, and even relate to you. This makes it a perfect personal assistant to make your daily tasks easier. The unique Misa Connect app puts you in total control of your Misa. You can move Misa around the house to monitor loved ones. Create personalized display messages to surprise and delight family and friends. With Misa, you can make video calls, set alarms, teach good habits, tell stories, play music, videos, and much more. I Wonder Spider Pie is a smart toy that offers both entertainment and educational value. Spider Pie is a product created by the Chinese company I Wonder. This device serves as an excellent tool for learning the fundamentals of programming. Equipped with a high-resolution camera, Spider Pie is capable of color recognition and object tracking. The robot employs ultrasound technology to successfully detect and navigate around obstacles. Additionally, it boasts the feature of following visual lines. Once you're familiar with operating Spider Pie, it transforms into an endlessly engaging toy that keeps boredom at bay. The robot's potential is limitless. Through coding, it can be programmed to execute a wide array of tricks. This versatile and captivating toy is available for purchase at the price of $580. The Terra-Sect rolling lizard is introduced as an RC toy. Its main focus is on providing captivating entertainment for active kids. Additionally, it has the potential to replace multiple other toys. The standout feature of the Terra-Sect lizard is its innovative dual functionality. When in an upright position, it functions as a regular car. It can smoothly glide across flat surfaces. However, when bent, it undergoes a seamless transformation into a rolling wheel. This transformation enables it to navigate obstacles and even conquer stairs with ease. Despite its adaptability and unique design, this versatile toy is reasonably priced, starting at $18. Introducing the HH6, a product that's bound to captivate enthusiastic RC toy enthusiasts. This innovation is a two-in-one solution, effectively eliminating the dilemma of choice. It seamlessly combines a motorcycle and a drone into a single package. The transformation from motorcycle to drone is swift, requiring just a few manipulations. The wheels of the motorcycle ingeniously serve as the propellers of the drone. However, the HH6 offers even more than its dual nature. Equipped with a high-quality camera, this device excels at capturing photos and recording videos. The real-time imagery is transmitted via Wi-Fi directly to the owner's smartphone. Despite the common misconception that obtaining clear images from a moving, non-professional drone is unfeasible, the HH6 defies this belief. It can hover steadily in the air, minimizing vibrations to achieve remarkably sharp visuals. Control of the device can be executed through a dedicated remote control or a smartphone app. The battery ensures 8 minutes of flight time or 15 minutes of ground-based riding. The control range extends to approximately 40 to 50 meters. All these features are available at an attractive price point of around $57. Ganker, unlike most modern toys designed for individual use, stands out as a robot developed by Oz Robotics that emphasizes social interaction. This innovative toy facilitates shared experiences with friends, providing a distinctive opportunity to engage in robot battles. The controls are user-friendly, facilitated through a dedicated smartphone app. Achieving victory in battles against other players requires training. The developers of Ganker robots emphasize the importance of skill improvement. They also encourage players to explore customization possibilities for the robot's weapons and armor components. This approach allows each robot to become one of a kind, with the potential for complete uniqueness. For more advanced users, there's the capability to program specific commands and movements for the robot through coding. Importantly, it's worth noting that while the robots engage in battles, they do not cause actual harm to each other. Thus, concerns about physical damage are unnecessary, as the robots merely make contact without causing real impact. These interactions are sensed by specialized sensors, determining the allocation of winning points between the rivals. The cost of one Ganker robot is approximately $400. If your child has aspirations of owning a pet but isn't quite ready for the responsibility, a great alternative is the Silverlit Robo-Chameleon. This adorable robotic chameleon boasts the ability to change the color of its back and crest. It extends its tongue to manipulate objects or retrieve tokens, which serve as simulated food. This delightful option is available at an approximate price of $40. Now, let's revisit the realm of RC cars. A significant limitation of many RC cars is their constrained mobility. They can only traverse smooth surfaces and tend to become immobilized if they venture onto bare ground or grass by accident. However, breaking this trend is the Power Treads, a toy that defies this conventional drawback. Distinguished by its distinctive design, Power Treads offers unparalleled cross-country mobility relative to its size. It confidently maneuvers over various surfaces and effortlessly conquers obstacles. This versatility empowers you to craft intricate obstacle courses for the toy, enhancing the play experience. The Power Treads toy is available at an affordable price of $30. To conclude our video, let's explore another exceptional radio-controlled car. As evident, the standout attribute of the Airhog Stunt Shot lies in its generously proportioned soft wheels. These unique wheels serve a dual purpose. Firstly, they facilitate the vehicle's capability to surmount obstacles and access the most unexpected locations. Secondly, they accomplish this feat without causing harm to furniture or individuals nearby. Notably, the Stunt Shot leaves no unsightly marks even when navigating delicate surfaces. This impressive and considerate toy can tread upon a variety of terrains without leaving scratches. The Airhog Stunt Shot offers its remarkable qualities at a budget-friendly price point of $25. So, whether you're seeking adventure or indoor excitement, this toy is sure to provide ample enjoyment. Not all toys are exclusively intended for children. Some possess intricate designs and nuanced details that only adults can truly appreciate. The car featured on your screen exemplifies this concept, presenting the Böhm Stirling Peugeot Apone 172, a collectible model representing the Peugeot Quadrillette from the 1920s. A remarkable aspect of this toy is the absence of radio control. Instead, the developers equipped the model with a miniature 4-cylinder engine complemented by a functioning gearbox to drive the rear wheels. The Peugeot Apone 172 can move for a duration of 10 minutes, after which the engine requires time to cool down. Stainless steel screws, along with brass elements for the wheels, headlight bezels, and radiator grille contribute to its authentic appearance. The primary material used is aluminum. Notably, this car also doubles as a construction set, offering a rewarding assembly process that takes an estimated 3 hours to complete. This sophisticated and meticulously crafted model is priced at around $480,